I'm Kristen and this is Gibson. And welcome to my home in Valley Village here in Los Angeles. I bought this house a little under a year ago and did a lot of renovations before I moved in, so I'm really excited to show you guys around. Let's go. I describe my personal style as boho-chic with a modern twist, and I really love the charm and character of this home and how old it is, but it was also really closed in and had dark wood floors, so I wanted to just open it up and make it feel light and airy. For the furnishings in this room, I like to mix metals and mix woods and just really kind of mix it all up, but also keep it really cozy. So I love covering my walls with everything that means something to me. So I have some Fleetwood Mac and Stevie Nicks over here. I have my 1970 Gibson Dove guitar. And Gibson, my dog, is actually named Gibson Nick, so it's after Gibson guitars and Stevie Nicks. And then my other dog is Bowie, after David Bowie. I have these two gorgeous white marble tables, extremely functional, but also they're just gonna stay there forever because it's literally the heaviest thing in the entire world. The fireplace is one of my favorite parts of the house. It is the focal point of this whole entertaining space. I kept the original mantle and just painted it white, redid the tile, kind of an Art Deco, but still like fits this boho vibe. I really wanted the breakfast nook and the kitchen to kind of have a really nice flow, but also have their own identity. So when I redid my kitchen countertops and this white quartz, I wanted a table that kind of had the similar feel. And I'm obsessed with this beaded chandelier. And I love all of my different textures and colors of pillows, but it all kind of flows with the living room as well. The banquette is custom. My very good friend, John McClain, he's an interior designer, helped me bring a vision to life. And then we have piano bench hinges because I need more storage. I also baked you a muffin. Come on. And this is my kitchen, one of my absolute favorite rooms in the house. So my appliances are like stainless steel with the rose gold and copper accents. I'm completely obsessed with them. This is my very first adult kitchen. And as an adult, you get to drink wine during the day in your adult kitchen, so cheers. Shall we continue? So by now, I'm sure you've realized, I love to mix textures, different pillows, different colors. I love giving this room the same light and airy feel as the rest of my home, but with some pops of teal and blue. It still has that boho vibe with a handmade macrame. This room also has incredible light and two amazing French doors that lead out to my terrace and backyard. This space is really why I bought this home. It's so relaxing. I wrote most of the book in my backyard, but if I really need to get some work done, let's head into the office. This was formerly the garage that I have converted into my James May headquarters, my clothing line. It's really kind of 70s, like vintage rock. We tried to stick with a lot of sustainability. This is a reclaimed wood table. We use copper piping to essentially use as hangers. We do have a lot of meetings here. Being in this room inspires so much creativity when we're designing. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my house. Fixer-upper houses can be hard. They're also so rewarding in the end. Thanks for coming over.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?